And let's get you more details coming in on the investigation into this hit and run as the main accused, 24-year-old Mihir Shah, remains absconding. His girlfriend is being interrogated because police believe that she actually gave him refuge briefly. Sections of the new BNS and Motor Vehicle Act have been added against main accused Mihir. Cops are also probing if the accused was under the influence of alcohol or not. Remember that this incident happened early in the morning at about 5 or 6 a.m. And Mihir was with his driver, but he insisted on driving himself, was clearly speeding, lost control of the car, which is why the cops are looking into whether he was in fact under the influence of alcohol. The white BMW that you see on your screens, the front of which, the bonnet completely destroyed, shows you the impact really of the accident that took place.
प्रदीप नाखवा और उनकी पत्नी ये दोनों स्कूटी से वर्ली कोड़ीवाड़ा की तरफ जा रहे थे। उसी दरमियान लैंडमार्क जीप शोरूम के सामने एक BMW कार आती है और पीछे से उनकी स्कूटी को धक्का मारती है और इसमें जो जख्मी महिला है श्रीमती कावेरी नाखवा, जिनकी उम्र 45 साल है, उनको नायर हॉस्पिटल में उपचार के लिए ले जाते हैं, परंतु हॉस्पिटल में एडमिशन के पहले ही उनको मृत घोषित किया गया। राजश्री गिड़ावत, उसको हमने तपास के लिए आगे की इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए ताबे में लिया हुआ है और उसके साथ ही राजेश शाह, इस तरीके से दो व्यक्ति को इस गुने के इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बारे में हमने अभी तक अपने डिटेन किया हुआ है और उनसे पूछताछ जारी है।
Kotaka on this broadcast, Dev, the father has been detained, the driver has been detained, the girlfriend is being questioned, and yet at this point it doesn't look like the cops have any leads as to where the main accused, the man who was behind the wheel, is. Apologies, we seem to have lost the connection with Dev. We'll reconnect with him for more details, but the latest we can tell you is that Mihir's girlfriend is being questioned by the cops, and that's because reportedly after the car was abandoned in Bandra, Mihir, the main accused here, who was driving that car, ran straight to his girlfriend's residence, was reportedly planning to hide there, but when he realized that the cops are already on the lookout for him, fled from that particular spot. So now there are no details of exactly where he is, but his last known location was at his girlfriend's residence.